Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. So in this video I will be showing you how you can actually create a loom in Minecraft and how you can use it also. So for this tutorial I will be using the 1.19.3 version. If you have any other kind of versions, it will still work for you as long as it has Loom loot existing in it. So first of all, let's go ahead and open our Word, go to our creative Word, because I don't have the resources unfortunately in my single player Word, so we will go and make it in this creative Word. So let's open it just like so. Let's get away from this place and let's come just right here. This place is perfect, so let's make something like that, a platform that will be looking something like that, and here we will put our loom. So how you can create it, first of all let me show you how it looks like, and that is a loom. And yeah, so how you can create it, basically you need a crafting table, something like that, and you will need wood. So we will get some wood and string, just like that. So if you put wood like that and string like that, you will be able to create this loom in here. So let's go ahead and create some flags, or what do we call it in Minecraft, I forgot, but let me find them. They will be somewhere in here. Nowhere is something here. They might be in here as well. Okay, this one. So for example, let's get the white one and let's get some dye. So okay, it's called a banner, so yeah, it's a banner. So let's put the banner in here and we can put the color in here. It gives us multiple choices, so something like that. You can pick it up and add some colors as well. It will be something like so. You can add another color which will be looking something like that, I think. Okay, let's make it like that. You can even color it more by adding the same shape at the top, and yeah, you can place it whatever you like and make some cool banners in Minecraft. You can duplicate them as well, you can do a lot of stuff. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.